Alrighty, Tuesday morning, up and at 'em. And we stopped here on US 30 at I-71. We're on the eastbound little rest area. Only holds about 8 trucks maximum. So we're about 630 miles away from our delivery. So we're going to get the vast majority of that done today. But it got down to freezing last night. It's still about 32 degrees, 33 degrees right now at 6:15. So we got the truck warm enough. Put some real heat into it when we start driving. But another day calls. So it's time to hit the road. Okay, I-71 southbound in Ohio. We're going to pull in here for Flying J for our first load check. And we're Lebanon, Ohio. Mile marker 32. I-71 southbound, Ohio, coming into Cincinnati. Alright, I-75 southbound. We made our turn off of I-40 past Knoxville. Now we're on the stretch that heads towards Chattanooga. About another half an hour, we're going to pull into the Loves here for some fuel. Top up the DEF and the diesel. And because it's raining, we're probably just going to call it a night, because that'll be just about 4 o'clock. We're going to pull in there, and I don't want to try to fight for a parking spot in the rain. But go get a shower, get our dishes washed, come back to the truck, edit some video, work on my logbook, transflow my BOLs, and make a little dinner. So I got plenty of options for what we can do. We can go Oriental. We can go, mashed potato with some fried chicken. We can do potato soup. We got pasta. We got chicken and dumplings. Now we got rice still. Do another stir fry if you wanted to. I got a little bit of chili from Wendy's. We could put a little extra ingredients into that and expand that out a little bit. But we will see what we get in the mood for once we get back into the truck. I want to know why we're slowing down to less than 55 miles an hour here. We're going to do our best to go around them. Because this Mercedes gets past us. Yeah, somebody might be afraid of the rain, afraid they're going to slide right off the road. So we're going to be the speedy jerk and go around them. It might be the Swift truck that's holding people up. Who knows? But they can have their little slow adventure behind us. Make sure we're on the straight. Got at least a truck length between me and the truck I'm passing. Move over nice and slow. Not hard to pass, people. Give them at least a second and a half distance between me and him. Set a minimum of a truck length. All right. Alright, so like I said, another half an hour down the road, and we are going to be done for the day.